Best wishes to all. So in this video we are going to see Python. Yes, now we are moving towards a language which we can write a coding in a native style, and which provides the best performance in the perspective of execution of our codes, and which supports many interfaces or standard interfaces which are working both professionally as well as in learning perspectives as well, right? So the Python is one of the tools which already evolved with all those characteristics. It can support web, it can support very strong mathematical calculations, and it can also support many interfaces. So with all those things, Python now evolving uh, much much more stronger, as well as it is getting a lot of libraries which we can use it to minimize or implement for a specific needs. So now, to begin with Python, let's see how to install Python in our local machines. So so post installation we have to also verify Python installed properly in our local machine or not, and also we should know how to execute Python program without using any IDEs or tools, right? So to download Python from, we have to download it from Python's website, and once we get in, we'll get a Python's latest version. And if you want to use any previous or lower versions, you can download it from bottom of the table, right? So now I'm going to download Python 3.7.4, which is one of stable versions, and one of the popular version as well. Okay. So once it is got download, try to install it in your local machine, and it will take some time to install. Once it is properly installed, you have to verify whether it is properly installed or not, right? So to do that, launch your command prompt in Windows. So here we are going to type a keyword called py. It indicates to pull out the information about Python. So if you get Python version like this in your machine, then it is good enough to prove that Python is installed properly. And if you want to verify further how how to execute or test it with Python's syntaxes, right, we can give it a try. So here if you see, it is Python is running on top of our command prompt. However, right now control is with Python's terminal. Okay. So let me write a print statement to execute it. So now this command should compile, and it should give the results. Yes, so it is printing. So then it's clear that our Python installation is working fine in the local machine. Okay. So now let's see how to do that same from program file. Okay. So let me write the same thing. So while saving, we have to be careful, and we have to use a dedicated extension for Python. Okay. So for convenience, let's create a specific folder, get started.py. So you have to use extension called py. Okay. So now if you see how it got stored in the system, so if you see a icon like this, then this is also one more indication that our system properly installed Python and it is integrated into operating system level. Okay. So now how to execute this program. Again, let's get into the command prompt, and let's get into that folder path. Okay. So now to execute, type keyword called py and then put your program name. Okay, so if your program not present, it will throw error like this. So now I just put it the right program file name. Now it executed and printing it like this. Right. Okay, so that's it. So probably in next video we can see what are the Python IDEs we can use to speed up our programming. Okay, thank you.